Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B and I cover all things home organization, home decor, and lifestyle. So if you love content like this, be sure to subscribe down below and like this video while you're at it. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my take on the chicken tortilla soup, and I'm going to be using my crock pot, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's the easiest thing to make meals when you're super busy throughout the week and when you need a low maintenance meal prep. So let's get into the video. So I am going to start by washing my vegetables with a lemon juice solution. If you've watched my videos in the past, you know that I love using the solution to wash all of my vegetables. For this recipe, I love to incorporate fresh ingredients, as you can see, like different color peppers and onions. It just really brings a nice freshness to the recipe because we are going to be using a lot of canned goods in this recipe. I am going to start off by cutting my peppers. I like to take the white part out of the pepper because it can really make the pepper very tart and just alter the taste of the pepper altogether. And then I'm going to proceed by dicing my peppers into small cubes. For this recipe, you only really need one pepper. I absolutely love peppers and I love different color peppers, so I use 2 peppers instead, but feel free to halve each color pepper and dice them from there. Alright, now I'm going to dice my onions as well. I'm using 2 different kinds of onions for this recipe. The first one that I'm going to use are green onions. This is more for garnish, which I will be using later. And the second one is going to be yellow onions, which I am going to use within the crockpot recipe. I also diced up 4 Roma tomatoes for this recipe, but feel free to use canned diced tomatoes as well. I'll leave the ounces you need down below in the description box. Now I'm going to set my crock pot to the 8-hour setting on low, and I am going to drizzle some olive oil on the bottom of the crock pot and place the vegetables in there. Feel free to saute your vegetables a little bit before putting them in the crock pot. I usually do this, but I was in a time crunch. I'm also going to add a spoonful of minced garlic for a nice flavor. Next, I'm going to add my cleaned chicken breasts, which I use a lemon juice solution as well to clean them thoroughly and trim off any of the fat. And I'm just going to place that into the crock pot. For this recipe, you only need about 2 chicken breasts, which can feed up to 4 to 6 people. Now I'm going to add all the other ingredients into the crock pot. Lastly, I'm going to add some chicken broth, which I usually do about 2 cups, but I did a little bit over 2 cups this time because I had some extra left in the carton, so I wanted to finish it off. And of course, we cannot forget the flavors and the seasonings for this recipe. So I use a pre-made taco seasoning, but feel free to make your own taco seasoning for this dish. I use about 1/3 of a cup of the taco seasoning and about 1/2 cup of water. I did use a little bit more water in this video, but I typically don't use that much, so don't be like me. Our soup is finally done, and now we have to shred our chicken breasts. So I just like to take my chicken breasts out of the crock pot and then shred them and then place them back into the bowl. You can use forks or your hands to shred the chicken. And it is ready to serve. You guys, I cannot explain how great this smells. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It tastes so good. It's a really good soup to have in the winter time and fall time, just perfect for the season. So I definitely recommend making this. I also like to serve this with some slices of avocado and some fresh ground pepper. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my take on this easy crock pot recipe for chicken tortilla soup. Be sure to like this video if you like content like this, and let me know in the comment box if you enjoy crock pot recipes. Am I the only one? I just love them because they're really easy and I'm very busy. So I'll be sure to make more crock pot videos sharing my recipes with you guys if you like content like this. And if you're new, of course, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!